हाय दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सभी। मैं आपकी होस्ट दोस्त ऋचा भाटिया लेकर आई हूँ एक बहुत ही खास पॉडकास्ट आप सभी के लिए, क्योंकि आप मेरे लिए बहुत मैटर करते हैं। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं डिप्रेशन के बारे में। डिप्रेशन एक ऐसी बीमारी जिसको लेकर बहुत सारे मिथ्स हैं, और सबसे बड़ा मिथ है कि अगर एक बार इसकी मेडिकेशन स्टार्ट कर दी तो वो आपको लाइफ टाइम करनी पड़ेगी। पर ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। एक्चुअली ऐसा है या नहीं, ये बताएंगे हमारे एक्सपर्ट। तो अगर आप भी डिप्रेशन जैसी बीमारी से जूझ रहे हैं, जो आजकल बहुत कॉमन है, तो ये पॉडकास्ट आपके लिए है। मिस बिल्कुल मत कीजिएगा। आइए हमारे एक्सपर्ट से बात करते हैं और डिप्रेशन के बारे में थोड़ी और इन्फॉर्मेशन लेते हैं। वार्म वेलकम मैम। इससे पहले कि मैं आपसे कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट सवाल करूं, मैं चाहूंगी थोड़ा सा आप अपने बारे में इंट्रोडक्शन हमें दें।
Myself, Dr. Rachna Gupta, working as an assistant professor in LL Medical College and also practicing as a consultant psychiatry in Bhopal.
Warm welcome again.
Thank you so much.
So we are talking about depression.
Yeah.
My first question is very common, or maybe it's very important too.
Yeah.
What exactly the depression is?
See, first I really want to talk about is what is the difference between a normality and a disorder. When do you really call it as a disorder? Like,
right.
What is depression? First, depression is about if we talk like symptoms, it is like sadness of mood, feeling low, self-esteem, lack of concentrations, less appetite. These are all very common, we all know about it. But when do you call it as a disorder is very important for all of us to know about. When there is a problem in your social, when there is a problem in your occupation, when there is a problem in the community relationships, interpersonal relationships. So there are problems in all the three locations, categories like social, personal, occupation, and you are facing problems everywhere, then it is really called as a disorder. Otherwise, every one of us face such problems. 1 or 2 days everyone feel low, yaar. Come on, everyone, if we are sad, if we are having some failures in life, we also feel sad. Right. 1 or 2 days is okay, but there are certain diagnostic criterias which are essentials to be fulfilled to call it as a depression.
That's true. So my next question is 3 effective habits we should adopt or we can adopt to improve or to get rid of depression.
Yeah, see, very commonly if I say, first is exercise. There should be a routine in your daily routine. Exercise should be included, which helps you to release endorphins naturally from your body, which we give externally.
Exercise in like gym would be more effective, or
any exercise okay. I will prefer, okay. which will help you to release endorphins from your body. Any exercise, yoga, gym, walking, anything will do, but you have to make a routine in your life. Right. Second is sleep, which helps you to release melatonin, and this is also very important. Good sleep, good appetite, and good exercise. These 3 if you regularly maintain in your life, daily life, this will help you to decrease your depression by 50%. So these 3 are very important.
So we have so many people, they get scared when they hear depression word.
Yeah.
So any message for them?
Yeah, that's what I told you initially. I told you that there is a difference between a disorder and symptoms, or what you say is depression. So when you call it depression, then it's a disorder. Otherwise, every one of us feel. So what I want to say is, what is the message? How do you should release your stress? And if you are even stressful, the first important thing is to share your feelings.
Right.
Whoever is near to you, whoever, even if your mother, if it's your friend, if it's your colleague, you should express. Ventilation is the priority and the most important thing. Once you ventilate, 50% of your burden is released.
Gone.
Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am. Nice talking to
Thank
you.
you.
And
Thank you,
thank you for
Simran.
giving us your precious time.
Thank you so much.
तो आज हमने बात की डिप्रेशन के बारे में, जिसके बारे में हमने जाना कि इसके बारे में ये जो कहा जाता है कि मेडिकेशन जो होती है वो लाइफ टाइम चलती है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन योर कंडीशन. लेकिन एक चीज़ ज़रूर है कि इसका इलाज करवाना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि अगर आप इसका इलाज नहीं करवाते हैं, अनट्रीटेड रह जाता है ये, तो कहीं ना कहीं हमारी लाइफ ख़राब हो सकती है. तो ऐसा बिल्कुल मत सोचिए. किसी से बात कीजिए, एक्सपर्ट से बात कीजिए, दोस्तों से बात कीजिए, फैमिली मेम्बर से बात कीजिए, मेडिकेशन स्टार्ट कीजिए. आप बिल्कुल फिट एंड फाइन हो जाएंगे. एन्जॉय योर सेल्फ. आपसे फिर से होगी मुलाकात. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा.